We have vacation planned to go see some friends and family in Colorado for the next 3.5 weeks, and we plan on doing a little skiing while we're out there.
Gary and Christy love to drive cross country. It's a special way to see things and meet interesting people. Operation Build team member Gordon Spencer is the CEO with a new device called the Maximum Signal Amplifier. Gordon, we spend a lot of money every year on cell phones and other devices to stay connected 24/7, but that doesn't always work out, especially if you're like the Collins family and you like to travel around the country in an RV or a car.
Well, with our device, whether you're in the middle of nowhere in a rural area or stuck between large buildings in a metropolitan city, you're always connected. It communicates with the cell tower and the cell phone to make sure you always have optimum signal level.
So you're telling me that even if I don't have bars on my phone, I'm still going to get a signal?
Our amplifier actually senses signal when your phone or device can't, and takes that signal, amplifies it, and makes it usable to your phone or device.
That's amazing. How does it do this?
Our amplifier talks to the tower and talks to the phone and figures out an optimal signal level where you're getting clear communications and maximum upload and download speeds.
So I have like an amplifier and some kind of a receiver?
There's an amplifier inside, an antenna outside that grabs the signal, an antenna inside that redistributes it. You plug in the amplifier, connect the antennas, and you're all done. It's basically plug and play.
Wow, that's awesome. And does this thing work like in bad weather conditions and stuff?
As long as there's a minimal signal that it can see, and it can see a signal way beyond what your phone can, it will amplify and make that signal usable for all your devices.
Are there like big companies and stuff that use this?
We sell this to police departments, first responders, fire departments, professional storm chasers, so they're always connected.
All right, so what do we do with this thing?
Well, for a home installation, it's very easy. You just mount what'll be your donor antenna on the outside of your house. Just has to be a little above the roof line so it picks up signal from all directions. And a cable runs from this to the amplifier in the house.
All right, I noticed that the mounting brackets are set up so that you can either mount it on a pole, or I guess I could just take this out and tap con it to the wall and then slide that through there, and it's just got a couple of set screws?
Yep.
That's
nice
awesome.
and simple
enough. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing how this is set up.
Well, the kit comes with everything you're ever going to need to use it. So when you install in your car, you're just going to want to install the one antenna on your dash or your firewall, facing the users like that. You connect it to the amplifier on the interior antenna side.
Okay, so it's marked so that's interior.
Yeah, interior, exterior. Then we hook up the outside antenna, screw it on the same way. Then we get our trusty little power source, which we have now included your wall wart as well, so you can take it in your house, your hotel room, wherever, and use it for power in there. Plug it in, and then plug in the amplifier, and blue means you're all good. You're ready to go.
That's awesome. I noticed that there's an extra plug on the back of your adapter here. Is that so you can plug in another cell phone?
Yeah, we designed it so you can charge your cell phone off the same adapter plug at the same time that's powering the amplifier.
That's awesome. Then I don't have to carry a dozen different connectors around with me. And this antenna here, what do you do with the cable once you put it on the outside of the vehicle?
You run it along the side of your car and just bring it in your door frame. It's made with heavy-duty shielded cable, so you can slam your door on it as many times as your heart desires.
That's amazing. I'm gonna go get the Collins family. I think they're about ready to take off.
Okay.
So what do you think about your new maximum signal amplifier?
Oh, I think it's fantastic, especially the one in the house. Ever since we got that metal roof, it just seems like we've never had a signal.
It's going to be great. We're going to be able to stay in touch with friends and family while we're traveling, a lot less stress now.
And you'll be safe too, because you'll be able to call for help if you have a problem.
Absolutely.
Gordon, thanks so much for helping them out with a nice, safe trip across the country.
Well, our goal of Maximum Signal is to make sure you stay connected.
That's awesome. Let's get out of here.
You're coming with us?
Nah, I'm just kidding. We're gonna stay here and check on some safety issues around the house. Stay with us.